Okay, here we go. Release the hounds. That was Glaedra that was doing all that squealing and screaming. Holy cow. Here they go. Yay! Yay! Hooray! Woohoo!
Free the bunch.
Yahoo!
On the pen.
Woo! Oh, we have whippet racing already.
Yep. I'm gonna move this out of the way.
Thorn's going. Oh gosh, sorry, I'm going everywhere. Fletch is going bananas. Doodlebug, it's okay, Doodlebug. You don't like being in here with them. Well, he sort of does, but he gets tired of it after a while. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Crazy guys! Pop-ups! Pop-ups! Do you want to come in, Fletch? Do you want to come in, Doodlebug? Hang on, Doodlebug. There you go, Doodlebug. I'm not quite sure why he wants to come in, because he just comes in and then stands there, and Lindy licks in his mouth. He flips on his back and lets her chew on his private bits. Silly guy. Or maybe it's fun. I don't know. Those are sharp teeth. Look, everybody's down here going crazy. They're all playing with a tug toy. And I've got my camera's got the light on. That's why they all look like demon dogs. With their eyes shining. But they're all doing really good going outside and going to the bathroom. There we go. Yay! Hawaii! Oh goodness, how are we ever going to say goodbye to any of those guys? Ah, it's going to be murder. Anyways, enough camera.